Guys, so this is my godfather Joe, and we're gonna be helping him with the Jeep.
And this is Diego. We're gonna help him with this car, with this vehicle, teach him how to Raptor, and we're just gonna have a lot of fun.
Alright guys, so the first step we're gonna do is start disassembling, taking off things that we're not gonna Raptor. Alright guys, so let's get to that.
Alright, now that when they're finished, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna start sanding the dents that the vehicle has. As you can see, there's a dent right here. So we're gonna start sanding all the dents, and as soon as we stop sanding, we're gonna start adding the body for this. So let me teach you. It's already sanded, so we're just gonna finish all the dents, and as soon as we're done, we're gonna start putting the body filler so it could. And as soon as we put it, we let it dry, and we start sanding the whole thing, by piece. So alright, let's go find more. See, that was good. There's no more paint, so the body filler is gonna stick, and that's it. Alright. So let's go get the body filler.
Teach you how to mix the hardener and the body filler. What people usually do is they just put a lot, but what you really need to do is put a 1-inch bead, which is just half of it, which is just a line right there. And then here, what you want to do is just mix it. Alright, so it's mixed. And now, what you want to do over here is that you're gonna put it on here, but you don't want to leave it, like, you don't want to put a lot, nor you don't want to leave too little where you can still see the dent. So it's like this. I'll show you. You kind of press on it. Well, not as much, but you press on it so it'll stay straight. Like that. Now, you try doing those. It is good.
We're pretty much done with the first pass of the body filler. As you can see, I did the second pass. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna sand it so we can start sanding the whole vehicle.
Alright guys, so we're done with the sanding process. All we're doing now is as you can see, taping. And what we're gonna do first is we're gonna spray the black, and then we're gonna spray the paint of the color of the vehicle. Alright guys? Alright guys, so we're done with the body work and cleaning it up and papering and taping. While we wait on them to go get the paint, we're gonna start putting some etching primer where there's just bare metal. Alright guys?
All right, guys, so we're here at Riley's and we're picking out the color. Did you get one?
Yeah,
Which one?
go with Guards Red.
Guards red, and the code for that one is L84A. All right.
All right, Guards Red it is. We'll get you going.
This is like the exact.
So we're already done spraying the etching primer and it's already dried up. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna spray the adhesive promoter on the plastics.
Alright guys, so we're ready to start spraying the Raptor. Where I'm gonna start the black plastic right here. I'm gonna work my way around up to the roof. And the customer had asked us if we can Raptor the window edges black too, so we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna start with the plastic. Alright guys, that was the second pass. All we're gonna do now is just let it dry and then reverse tape and spray the red. Alright guys, what we're doing now is reverse taping. What that means is we're taping up all the black that we don't want to be painted red, which is what we're gonna paint the vehicle. So let's just get to it. Alright guys, we're gonna start spraying the red on the vehicle.
Alright guys, that's the second pass. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna let it dry, and as soon as it's dry, we're gonna take off the tape. So
Alright guys, so we let it sit there for about an hour. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start taking off the paper and the tape. Alright guys?
All right, guys, it looks like you're done with this one.
Alright guys, we're done with this Jeep Cherokee, and as you can tell, we went two-tone, which is red and black, and it just came out pretty really nice and even. Just take a look.
Check that out, guys. Check that out. Not bad at all. Let's check out that texture.
Just look at the texture. Really smooth and even, everything.
Check out the roof.
Oh, and the keyhole, the last time on the Toyota, y'all had commented that we had forgotten the tape or something like that. This one, the customer, they wanted it like that, and as you can see, there's a little keyhole cutout.
Not bad, guys.
Well, all right, Diego, thank you so much for letting us work on your vehicle. It was we appreciate it. And again, guys, if you need any questions, anything, ask us down below on the email. Send us pictures of your vehicle, and we'll give you an estimate on what we can do for you. All right, guys, so again, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for next videos.